Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can hide a page on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once here in your dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen. And then here you're going to find all of these sections. If you go here to the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit the site. Go ahead and click on edit site, and then you're going to be redirected to this tab. So this is basically going to be the Wix website editor. So just wait for the page to load. And once loaded, this is how it would look like. So once here, go to the left, and then right here, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you customize and design your site. So first of all, go here and click on pages and menu. And then once here, you're going to find the site menu, sign up and login, and so on. Go to the page you want to hide. Go ahead and right next to the page's name, you're going to find these three dots. Go ahead and click on it. And then here you're going to find settings, SEO basics, and all of these options. And if you go down right here, you're going to find hide from menu. So if you click on hide, as you can see guys, it's going to be hidden. If you want to know if it's hidden or shown, you're going to find this little eye icon right next to it. If you find this icon, this means that the page is hidden. If you want to unhide it, click again on these three dots and click on show in menu. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.